If it does not say on an exam that it has to be an algebraic solution, you can use this formula. If you use this formula, you need to put down exactly everything that shows up on your screen. So for showing your work, you'll say, I use TVM Solver, and these are the things that I put in. And these are the numbers that I put in. Person borrows $15,000 for their car. So initially, you're given your car negative $15,000 in your present value. Person can afford to pay $300 a month, compounded monthly. The loan will be paid with equal payments, 6% annual interest, compounded monthly. We're making monthly payments of $300. Future value will be 0. How many payments will the person make? So put this into your calculator. Okay, they are giving you the car, right? So anytime someone's giving you things, that's going to be positive. That's what was looking funny. Well, what we did with the mortgages is right, it just got flipped a little. It will work out the way that we had it, but we should have done it the opposite. We should have put they gave you the house, so that should have been a positive value. And the payments came up positive, but it should have been the other way around. So now if you go to your calculator, plug everything in. Yeah, we'll look at the mortgage again with the proper things. I think it might make a little bit of a difference. Bugs me that I put it in wrong. So we don't know. We can just put 0 in for this now. It's 6% interest. They gave you this. We want to solve for this. Compounded 12. Payments are $300. That's negative because you're making a payment. Alpha solve 57.68, which rounds up to 58. And that is the same answer that you would have got algebraically. So what you can show on here is that you solved for this. It came out to 57.68 and 58. So yes, we did make a mistake on our mortgages there that we were talking about because they give us the house. Anytime someone's giving you something, that should have been positive. So we need to go back to our house quickly. And let's say they give you $300,000, 25 years times 12. Let's compare the 3.5. I multiply by 1, 25 times by 12. There we go. Let's look at the 4% interest, the 3.5% interest, and the 8% interest, and relook at these numbers because I think they're going to be slightly different. And see if you still pay yourself $1,000 an hour. So how much of our payment's going to be $1,583, which is really close to what it was. This makes more sense because it's a negative now because you're actually making that payment. Yeah? How to use the program? The one that we did before? No, this one we did, but the mortgage ones we've just been talking about. No, it's not in our. So if I times this by 300, 475,000. I think that's even a little bit more than it was before. So 4% was 475,000. 3.5% 450,000. So the numbers are slightly different, but it's still a you had $24,000 difference, now it's a $25,000 difference. So you'd still be paying yourself $1,000 an hour. This is the one that I think it's going to make the big difference on. It's going to be, it was 1.3 million before at 18%. Still 1.36. Numbers are a little bit different. So it's only $50,000 more. But it's still a lot of money. Okay, the questions you can do for practice that can practice using this program and practice using the formulas. 3, 6, 7, and 12.